I went to the zoo yesterday. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. I ate an apple for breakfast. The sun is the center of our solar system. The Mona Lisa is a famous painting. I live in the United States. I am going to the beach this weekend. I saw a dog running down the street. I need to buy a new pair of shoes. I am going to a college next year. The Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. I love to read the books. I am going to a concert tonight. I ate a pizza for lunch. I went to the park with my friends. I am going to the library tomorrow. I saw a movie last night. I need to buy a new pair of jeans. I am going to the gym later. I love to eat the ice cream. I am going to a store to buy some milk. I went to the doctor yesterday. I need to go to the bank to get some cash. I am going to the post office to mail a letter. I went to the library to check out some books. I need to go to a grocery store to buy some food. I am going to the park to play with my dog. I went to the beach to swim in the ocean. I need to go to the gym to work out. I am going to the movies to see a new film. I am going to a museum to see some art. I went to the zoo to see the animals. I need to go to a pharmacy to buy some medicine. I am going to the library to study for my exams. I went to the park to have a picnic with my family. I need to go to a store to buy some clothes. I am going to a restaurant to eat dinner. I went to the beach to sunbath. I need to go to the gym to lose weight. I am going to the movies to see a comedy. I am going to a church to pray. I went to a mosque to worship. I need to go to a temple to meditate. I am going to the library to research a paper. I went to the park to relax and enjoy the weather. I need to go to a store to buy some groceries. I am going to a restaurant to have lunch with my friends. I went to the beach to build a sand castle. I need to go to the gym to get in shape. I am going to the movies to see a drama. I went to the school yesterday. I need to go to a store to buy some milk. I am going to the library to study for my test. I went to the park to have a picnic with my family. I need to go to the doctor to get a checkup. I am going to the movies to see a new film. I went to a museum to see some art. I need to go to a pharmacy to buy some medicine. I am going to a restaurant to eat dinner with my friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.